Hey, welcome to this shortwave radio channel. And, well, a little something that I want to ask you guys is to help out. I will actually make a donation after I make this video. WRMI, of course, had extensive damage due to Hurricane Ian. And they are really having a hard time bringing back all the frequencies. It's costing them a lot of money. So what I would like to ask you guys is to go to this page that I'm going to share in the description below, which is WRMI.net. And down the page, you'll see Donate to WRMI Hurricane Repair Fund. So I would like you to go there. And if you cherish the fact that WRMI, when it's not there, and I mean when the hurricane hit and that everything went down, Cuba was off and WRMI was off. It was eerily quiet on the shortwave bands at night. It just shows you what this, especially WRMI in this case, all the frequencies they use, the broadcast, the relays, if all of that goes away, what the North American evening of shortwave will look like. So if you can spare anything, of course, I will click here, Hurricane Ian damage repairs. And by the way, there's Radio Ukraine International. If you want to support Ukraine being on WRMI, you can also do that. So just do that. You can donate with PayPal or with debit or credit card. So you can, of course, help out WRMI. And in this case, hopefully, make sure that you can keep them on the air. I mean, this probably cost them a lot of money to get back. And we are lucky to have WRMI give us, a lot of relays. There are some programs I know you might not be, fond of, but you know what? That's life. Money gets you on the air, and everybody has a voice, whether you like it or not. That's the way that it happens, that it works. So, why not help out? What could I say about what I like about WRMI? Well, the relays of Glenn Hauser's World of Radio. The relays of Radio Prague, Radio Slovakia, the Voice of Mongolia. Lots of music programs that are really cool to have. It could be Texas Radio Shortwave. It could be, any other show, any other program that you love. Donate to make sure that they stay on the air and help him out. Okay, guys? So the link to WRMI.net is in the description below. Just click there. Just go down the page. Like I said, down the page, you'll see the donate to WRMI for Hurricane Repair Fund. And you can also, donate to another program or especially to Radio Ukraine International if you want to keep them on the air. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.